So, I'm going to try and get some stuff prepped up for making the... I'm like basically starting on something that I probably shouldn't be starting too early, but you know, we're going to do it anyhow. So, first things first. Who hates candy corn? Because it's delicious. And secondly, let me flip the camera around. Drop it in the comments if you like candy corn. Okay, so when we do the new turbo location, we're going to be putting the intercooler right here. So we basically need to get this to do like a 90 and then do a U-turn. So basically that's what I need to make. And I don't have a TIG welder, unfortunately. So we need to make it out of steel. So it kind of sucks because it's going to be heavy, but it's whatever. It's just the way it's going to have to be. So what I'm probably going to do tonight, I don't know how far I really want to get, but I'm probably going to try and make up some pre-cut pie cuts, because we're going to do a lot of pie cutting. So yeah, let's get started. So yeah, we got this guy, and we got a chop saw. So this thing is amazing. I'll be making a review eventually, if I haven't done it already. But yeah, so let's get this thing started. Yeah, so this is where we're at so far. So this will be like the first piece, and I don't know, I'm just cutting out a good chunk of them, so that way I can, you know, makes it easier. I don't have to worry about messing with them all. So yeah, let's keep cutting. Well, we got the first one, and I've got a couple there, and I just tacked this thing together. So it already looks pretty sweet. Now I'm actually pretty excited because these are really nice. Like after I cleaned up the things, it's like really nice. I really wish I had a MIG welder. This is not in the budget. You know, like I really regret not buying the MIG and flux core, even though it's still like another $100 for a fucking tank and all that shit. That sucks. But yeah, because otherwise I'm gonna splatter everywhere, so I'm gonna have to freaking spend a whole lot of time cleaning. Oh well. But yeah, so basically like that. And I'm actually contemplating flipping it around and cut another short piece. Because this is like almost, well, no, because I'll just cut another one. But yeah, this is where we're at. We'll see what happens next. I think what I just decided is I'm going to actually I'm going to complete a U-bend. So I can get the U done. And then we can design it off the U. So let's do that. I think it'll say pretty much like that. I think that would work. So yeah. Let's probably gonna try and get this thing welded up. Just so that way this is done. So let's get this welded up. I got welded up. Now I'm gonna use the good old drill with the wire wheel, and we'll try and clean this up. See how clean we can get it. Alright, well, trying to get the inside cleaned, and then we'll probably just flap disc the outside. I was using this deburring tool. Seems to work pretty good for getting off all these little beads. So just doing that on the inside, and then we'll use the flap disc and do the rest. But yeah, let's see how clean we can get this. Alright, this is what we got. So now to see where we go from here. This is what we got. I'm gonna probably end up taking off the charge pipe off the car right now, so that way I could try and finish this. We'll see. So basically, this guy's gonna come around here. And then, so yeah, we just gotta pretty much probably give this thing some sort of chop. And then, get it to bend in, and then we should be good there. But, yeah, I think that should be pretty close. But yeah, that's where we're at. And there it is. That mates up pretty straight. And then goes down. and around, and then it'll shoot out this way, where we'll be putting the intercooler right to there. And then I'm gonna probably end up doing some sort of go from 3-inch, because that's what's here, is 3-inch. Go from 3-inch to let's see here. Boop, 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 boop. All right. To whatever the fuck size this is on here. I think it's 2-inch. So I'll go to like 2-inch. So then I run 2-inch. So I run like 2-inch to the turbo, or from the turbo to the intercooler. It'll be slowly transitioning from a 2-inch to a 3-inch. So, but yeah, here's charge pipe. Charge pipe is done. Basically, as long as I don't have to make any modifications when we go to put the intercooler in. So yeah, sweet. You guys know the drill. Like, comment, subscribe. See you guys in the next one.